Good morning to you all. Today I am going to explain a type of heterogeneous mixture, that is suspension. As we know that heterogeneous mixture is a type of mixture in which substances are separated by a visible boundary. Chalk water mixture, muddy water, milk of magnesia, etc. are an example of heterogeneous mixture. Suspension is a type of heterogeneous mixture in which the small particles of solid are spread throughout a liquid without dissolving in it. It means in suspensions, solid particles are suspended throughout the mass. Constituents are not evenly spread throughout the mixture. Chalk water mixture, muddy water, milk of magnesia, sand particles suspended in water, flowed in water are examples of suspensions. Suspensions, for example, we take chalk powder and water in a beaker and shake it well. We observe that a milky suspension is formed. In the mixture, chalk particles are suspended throughout the water without dissolving in it. When we keep this mixture undisturbed for some time, we find that chalk particles get settled at the bottom of the beaker. It means suspensions are unstable. When a beam of light is passed through this mixture, it scatters the light and renders its path visible inside it. It means a suspension shows Tyndall effect. Now, properties of suspensions. A suspension is a heterogeneous mixture. The size of solute particle in a suspension is quite large. It is larger than 100 nanometer in diameter. The particles of a suspension can be seen easily. It means particles of suspension are visible. The particles of a suspension do not pass through filter paper. The size of particles of suspensions are quite larger than the pores of a filter paper, and hence a suspension can be separated by filtration. A suspension is unstable. It means for keeping some time, particles of suspension get settled down. Due to this, a milk of magnesia is advised to shake before using. Suspension must be shaken before using. A suspension scatters a beam of light passing through it. A suspension scatters light rays passing through it. This is due to the reason that the size of particles of suspension is quite larger than the wavelength of the white light. It means a suspension shows Tyndall effect. In next video, I will explain the another type of heterogeneous mixture, that is colloids. Okay, thank you.